Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower left freezer drawer rail support in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the freezer drawer and remove both baskets. Use the 10mm socket to unthread the two screws, securing the left support bracket. Unthread the two screws, securing the right support bracket as well. Tilt the drawer front forward, then lift up to remove. Use the small flathead screwdriver to detach the retaining pin, securing the gear shaft. Slide the gear shaft to the right to remove. Depress the tab and carefully remove the freezer drawer rail assembly. You can now use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the rail support to the liner. Pull the old support out and forward to remove. To install the new freezer drawer rail support, insert the tab into the slot in the liner and push back. Thread the 3 screws to secure. Reinstall the drawer rail assembly by aligning it on the support and pushing back until it snaps into place. Be aware you will need to adjust the gear to confirm the gear shaft will align with both gears. Reinstall the gear shaft by inserting the end of the shaft with the retaining pin hole in the right side gear first. Then insert the opposite end of the shaft into the left side gear. Snap the retaining pin into place to secure the shaft. Reinstall the drawer front by aligning the support bracket tabs with the slots on the rails. Thread and tighten the left and right side screws to secure the brackets to the rails. Replace the 2 baskets. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.